Looking to migrate to Shopware but worry about data loss, downtime, or platform incompatibility? You're in the right place. In today's video, we'll show you how to perform the Shopware migration hassle-free with Lit Extension using two different methods. Although many platforms offer a built-in importer, it only supports basic data like products and customers. Many other data types, such as historical orders, blog posts, collections, and complex variant images, can't be imported this way. And even for data that can be imported, you'll still need to rework the exported CSV file to match Shopware's required format. This process is meticulous and prone to errors. If not handled carefully, it can lead to data loss or inconsistencies after migration. But Lit Extension can certainly solve your problem. Our solution guarantees to deliver an accurate, secure, and smooth migration process in 3 simple steps. First, head over to the Lit Extension app and log in using your email or Google account. Once the migration dashboard appears, click New Migration. In the source card setup, select your current platform, such as Magento, and enter your store URL. Then, choose your preferred connection method and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Lit Extension connector. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see the message "Connection was successfully installed" appear on the screen. Next, scroll down to the Target Cart Setup section. Select Shopware from the drop-down and repeat the same process as for the source cart. After both stores are connected successfully, click Next, Configuration to continue. This is where you choose what data to migrate, such as products, customers, orders, and more. You can either select each option one by one or click Select All to migrate everything to Shopware. There are also several additional options you can choose from, though keep in mind that some of them require a small extra fee. Also, map the languages and order statuses from your source store to the corresponding ones on your Shopware store, if needed. After that, you can proceed to start free demo migration or skip the demo to move on to the full migration. Everything runs automatically on the server, so there's no need to keep your browser open. You'll receive an email notification from us once the full migration is complete. The Lit Extension automated tool is very convenient and efficient. But what if you have custom data requirements or want to focus on running your business during the migration? That's when we recommend our all-in-one service. With years of experience and deep expertise in the Shopware platform, Lit Extension experts will handle the entire migration smoothly from start to finish for you. Here's how it works. First, you'll start with a one-on-one consultation with our migration experts. We'll discuss your requirements, review the store on your current platform, and confirm the exact needs for a successful migration to Shopware. Next, your personal assistant will set up your target store on Shopware and customize the data mapping system to prepare a proper environment for the migration. When everything is ready, we'll run a demo migration so you can ensure everything works right. Don't forget to choose suitable additional options to enhance your migration. These are all included in the all-in-one package. Once you're satisfied with the demo, we move on to the full migration to Shopware. When the full data migration completes, we will conduct several rounds of testing to ensure that all data has been accurately and completely migrated according to your requirements. After testing, we'll ask for your final confirmation of the migration results. And what about the post-migration period? We also provide comprehensive support here, including recent data migration, remigration, smart updates, all with specific conditions applied, and up to 60 days of technical support. This applies to both our automated tool and the all-in-one service. You can enjoy all the exclusive benefits when migrating to Shopware with Lit Extension, including no-code migration for both the automated tool and all-in-one service, 24/7 customer support throughout the migration, reliable data quality assurance, comprehensive post-migration services, continuous selling during migration, no downtime, risk-free experience with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So go for Lit Extension, your trusted expert in e-commerce migration.